In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear door panel on a Subaru Forester. It's located on the inner part of the door. Just behind your window switch, there'll be this cover. You need to pop this cover off by using a pick. And you have a Phillips screw, you need to remove that. Once you remove that screw, take a trim tool, pull up on this, unclip that, and unclip that, pull it out. Now you can unplug your harness by pushing in this tab and pulling. Now we're going to move over to our pull handle. There's a cover in here, you want to pop that off with your pick, remove it. You have another Phillips screw in here, you need to remove that. Once you remove your screw, pull on your door handle, take your screwdriver and pry out. Your panel has a bunch of fasteners all the way around. You can use a tool like this, start at the bottom and pull out. Pull straight up and out. And there's your door panel. Take your door panel, start from the top, push straight down next to the glass here, push straight towards your door. So all your clips are fastened. Your trim piece here has a bunch of holes. Those holes line up with the tabs. Then just push straight forward. After you have your trim piece installed, now it's time for your Phillips screw and your cover. Your trim panel piece here has two tabs here and there. Make sure you line them up with the holes. Before you do that, take your plug, listen for the click, clip that in, grind those two holes, push straight down. Once that's clipped down, install your Phillips screw. Tighten that screw and reinstall your cover.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.